Hello, this is Antigone, your high-level ninja, showing you how to use Go High Level. One of the things Go High Level does is it helps us coordinate our work with others. And a tool that it has to do that is something called tasks. So let's dive in a little bit more on those. From the contact list screen, you have the option of clicking on tasks along the menu at the top. That brings up this task list, and this gives you a view into all of the tasks, regardless of who they're by, regardless of the status, regardless of when it's due. Then you can sort and filter to look at exactly and only what you're looking for. A common way to get started is to open up the contact record. And when you do that, in the right-hand column, there's a box with a little check mark in it. That's how you can see all of the tasks related to this contact. This particular bit looks pretty similar whether you're looking at it through the contact or through the opportunity. And when you look in the upper right-hand corner of this screen grab, you'll see what looks like a little filter. That means that you are going to filter by who's assigned or what the status is. That way you can narrow down which tasks you're looking at. So if you want to find a particular one, but you don't know the words that are in it, you can do it this way. If you know the words that are in it, you can just use the search bar right above that. The task screen tells us what we need to know to actually, do the task. So first there's the title, kind of like the headline, the grab 'em, this is real short version what you need. Next is the description, the directions, the why, anything that somebody needs to know in order to actually, do the task. Next is when it's due by. This is really great for, say, a tickler file for a salesperson. So let's say they're on with a client. The client says, hey, you know what? Not right now, but call me back in 2 weeks. You can set yourself a task to call back in 2 weeks. Next is recurring tasks. So that means this is something that you might want to do every 2 weeks. So you might want to reach out to your manager every 2 weeks and do a quick little check-in. Hey, here's how things are going. And finally, who is this task about? Meaning which contact record is it attached to? And then who's it assigned to? Who's actually going to do the work? And real quick, when you are looking at the opportunity, here's how you get to it. Going to look at the left-hand column in the opportunity and select tasks to see all of the tasks for this particular contact. And that wraps up our very quick introduction to using tasks to improve your customer service using Go High Level. If you like this content and how things are explained, I'd really appreciate it if you hit the like and subscribe. That would be awesome. Thank you so very much. It will help the channel grow.